Hi guys, CDL Holidays here. Today, I'm back with a video of a sidestepper. It's the 2012, I believe, dancing dog. But he doesn't dance anymore. He broke a couple years back. That's depressing, but he still sings. So guys, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on future content. So we're going to get started with the video. So it's a Jemmy. The button's on his ear here. We're going to get started. So guys, this guy sings Deck the Halls, but instead of fa la 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 la, he barks. So yeah, that's the video for today. He's really cute, guys. He looks a little creepy, no offense, but he's kind of cute. So guys, that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.